My name is Emily Verbois, and I am a wildlife conservation major at Unity College. I chose Unity because they offered my degree 100% online, and that was really important to me because I am a working mother of two. So having everything offered online meant that I wasn't going to have to uproot my family's lives in order for me to go back to school and study what I knew I needed to study. Something that I really do love about the distance learning is that because Unity is based in Maine and I live in Georgia, Unity's courses, our assignments, encourage us to get out into the environment that we live in. So I'm able to go out and study the environment here in Georgia, study the animals in Georgia, and really get to understand where I live more instead of being forced to learn about somewhere where I don't live and not really fully grasp what I'm studying. I really think that Unity's courses will and can really help a lot of people understand where they live, what they're doing, what they need to do to be proactive to help the environment. And their courses really add an extra layer of understanding of the world that we all live in and how we need to take care of it and how we can move forward with conservation and protecting our environment. So I really do believe that Unity is a top-notch choice.